How to send PDF files on Messenger. So first off, we want to go to the App Store or to the Android store, and we want to install Messenger Lite. So just search for Messenger Lite like this and install the app. It's still a version of Messenger, but it's slightly different, which will allow us to actually send PDF files. Now, after you've installed Messenger Lite, just log in as per usual with your account, and this is what it looks like. Now, however, if we tap on a chat right here, we see this option next to the other icon to the very left with the little plus sign. If we click on it, we get the option to either send a video or a file. If we select file, as you can see, it will load all of our files right here. I'm just going to show you that you are able to send a PDF file this way. So I'm just going to search for one PDF file. And as you can see, this is a PDF file. All of these are PDF files. If I click on it, it is going to say send whatever it is, .pdf to whomever. So that is how you send PDF files to people on Messenger. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.